Hello everyone, you are welcome to prevent a solution given this exponential equation, which is 4 to power x. This is equal to 40. So what is the value of x? Now solution here, we have 4 to power x. This is equal to 40. Now to solve for the value of x here, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So we'll have log 4 to power x. This is equal to log 40. So the next step here, log 4 to power x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, log 4 to power x becomes x log 4, which is equal to log 40. So let's divide both sides by log 4. We have log 4 divided by log 4. So let's simplify here. So that now we'll have x is equal to log 40 divided by log 4. Now we can express 40 as 8 multiplied by 5, okay? Of which we can express this 8 as 2 to power 3 times 5. So here we'll have x is equal to log 2 to power 3 times 5 divided by log 4. Now 4 can also be expressed as 2 to power 2. So this is log 2 to power 2. Now log 2 to power 3 times 5, this is actually in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this property, we find that x is equal to log 2 to power 3 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now the next step here, we'll have that x is equal to, now log 2 to power 3, applying the power rule property, this becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2, which is 2 log 2, plus, now we have log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2, which is 2 log 2. Now let's simplify here. So that x is equal to 3 over 2 plus, now we have log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Find that this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Let's apply this property. So we'll have 3 over 2 plus half log 5 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. So let's verify that x, which is equal to 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end at 4 to power x. This should give us a value of 40. Now, let's substitute the value of x. Here we'll have 4 to power 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. From here, we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. Let's substitute this. So we'll have 2 to power 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 plus half log 5 to base 2. This is equal to 40. The next step here is to simplify by 2 1 by 2 1. So here we'll have 2 to power 3 plus, now 2 and 2 simplifies here, so plus log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. The next step here is that 2 to power 3 So 2 to the power 3 plus log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of 8 to the power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to the power n multiplying by 8 to the power m. Applying this exponent property, this becomes 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. Okay, so now 2 to the power 3, this is exactly 2 times 2 times 2, which is basically equal to 8. So here we have 8 multiplying by, now 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, this is actually in the form of m to the power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So that means that 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 5. So now we have 5. Let's substitute this. So we'll have 8 times 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. And 8 times 5, this is basically equal to 40. Okay, which is equal to 40. So that means that the left-hand side is exactly equal to the right-hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is essentially equal to 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.